To put the camera into setup mode, press the button at the back for 5 seconds. Note that this resets the device and user data. After the light stops blinking in red color, camera will restart. A couple of seconds later, the blue light should start breathing, which means the camera is in the setup mode. To start configuration, visit setup.luxonis.com. You can either configure it for local offline usage or connect the camera to the Luxonis hub. In this video, we choose local usage and confirm that the blue light is breathing. Now enter the new password. It will be used for SSH and OAK4 access. Under Advanced tab, it's possible to quickly set up network settings. After confirming, a QR will be generated. Point the camera towards it to apply the new settings. Once detected, the light on the camera will blink first yellow, then green, and finally shine solid blue, meaning the camera is configured and ready to use.